Drones fly in the very low-level airspace. To operate safely and predictably, they need complete and accurate information about both airspace rules and ground data. This is why HERE and Unifly joined forces to enable safe drone traffic worldwide. We use standard methods to ensure interoperability and high-detailed collision detection. HERE has the data on the physical world surrounding us, detailed information about structures such as purpose, height, and dimensions. Unifly shows the invisible limitations imposed by aviation regulations, as well as real-time information on both manned and unmanned air traffic in the vicinity. The combination of both sources helps drones to extract no-fly zones and obstacles. The synergy of merging these two high-quality sources of information ensures safe drone flight execution. By greatly boosting the situational awareness of drone traffic, we act as a catalyzer for developing new and exciting applications of drone technology. Today, more drones are taking to the skies than ever before. Within a generation, they'll be at the heart of an autonomous world, meeting many of our daily needs for transport, goods, and services. Let's make this possible together.